Daddy, how do I get energy?
Well, it all starts out with cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is how you change sugar into this thing called ATP, which is the source for all energy in plants like trees and animals like cats. Sometimes you make energy using oxygen. And other times you don't use oxygen. When using oxygen to make energy, there are 4 steps. The first step is called glycolysis. This happens in the cytoplasm or jelly stuff in the cell. The sugar then meets up with the ATP thing that I was telling you about earlier. There is 2 ATP for every sugar. This breaks the sugar down into 2 smaller parts called pyruvate. One sugar molecule will end up making 36 ATP that you get to use for energy.
What happens next?
The second step is called link reaction. This is when the pyruvate moves into the mitochondria, the place that makes energy. This makes 2 NADH, 2 CO2 molecules, and 2 acetyl-CoA.
NADH, CO2. These are acetyl-CoA.
Then what?
Then there is the Krebs cycle. There are 6 reactions within the Krebs cycle. For every sugar there is in the Krebs cycle, you get out 6 NADH, 2 ATP, 2 FADH2, and 4 CO2 molecules.
These are NADH. These are CO2. DH2.
What's last?
Then there is the electron transport chain, which changes the NADH and the FADH2 into the ATP. This happens again in the mitochondria. This then generates water. Finally, after the end of this process, there is a total of 36 ATP.
These are Vladimir Thomas. Meow.
Go do the arm thing!
What arm thing?
Not this!
Wait, what?
Gotta go like this.
This is the whole. And this is Emil fucking Reach. Oh, good is the